Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and see my screen clearly. I'd like us to start analysis with the chart on my screen. We'll be starting with the EURUSD. We have on this chart, we have a very good level. We had a resistance in the past here. This is a 1.07643. We had a very good resistance here. We had a resistance there, and then we have another level here. This is a support. We have a resistance here. Have a resistance. We had a support. That is a break below it. Then we have a support here. We have a support there, and we have another level here. Here, and then we have another one here. So technically, as it is now, this is a good place to look for a buy from. This is 1.07076. Then this is 1.07101. This is a good place we want to look for a buy position from. We expect the buyers to push price upwards, at least up to this point here, where if the price breaks above it, then the next target is this one here. So you either buy it there or wait and buy it here, or you can wait and sell it when the price is here. The next chart I want us to look at GBPUSD. So this is bearish. We have some good downtrend. We had a support here. So it was mainly a resistance. The price broke above it here, then it went down, came back as a support. We had a support earlier today. We had a support, then the price broke below it. So as it is right now, the price is below the two lines. The first one is 1.25209, and the next one is 1.25160. We expect the sellers to push price down at least up to this level here. So as it is right now, if you're looking at this chart with me, expect the sellers to continue to push price down at least up to this point here. So we'll pick a sell order. Our stop loss is fixed at the high of this candle, which is this green candle here. The high of that candle is 1.2525479. We have our stop loss above it. So basically, this is a good sell, at least up to this point here. So we'll continue to sell it up to this point. The next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. Temporarily, this is a sell. This is a downtrend. So we had a very good buy. We are still buyers on this side. You can see we took a buy position here. We are still holding onto that position. We don't expect that the price is now bearish because we have a red candle here. No. If the price can go down and break below this point, and even better break below this point, then that will be the correct place to look for a sell from. So if the price goes down, breaks below these two lines, then we want to see further sell positions at least up to this point here. So that should be it for the currency pairs. Let's look at the others. We'll look at the Brent oil. Now this is bullish. We are in a very good uptrend. I will use my fib levels to analyze this chart. So I take this as the swing low, and I take this as the swing high, which means if the price is to pull back, then we do expect it to pull back at least up to the 3.6% fib level or 38.2% fib level. The lowest it should go up to is 50.0% fib level. So as it is right now, we are still expecting some pullbacks. We expect that the price may likely pull back down at least up to this point here, at least up to 50.0% fib level. So the next symbol is natural gas. With the natural gas, it looks like the price is pulling back to the lower side. We had a good resistance there. So we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. That is this breakout. So as we're speaking now, we expect that the price may likely pull back up, at least up to this point, before it can continue to the lower side. So if the price is still somehow inside these two lines, the one at the top is 8.261, the one at the bottom is 8.224, which means the price may sell off at least up to this point here, where if it breaks below it, then we expect it to continue downwards. We are looking forward for the price to break below this point up to this level here. So strictly we are still sellers on this chart. We are still looking for sell positions up to this point here. The next instrument is the SP500. Looks like this chart is within a range, and then you have another. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support here. So basically this is a good place to look for a buy from. This is a place you want to look for a buy from. If the price bounces off from it as it's almost doing, then this is a good place you want to look for a buy from, back to this resistance trend line here. So if that happens, in case the price breaks above this trend line, we expect it to continue upwards. In case the price breaks below this trend line, then we do expect it to continue to the lower side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.